This video is for educational purposes only. Do not try this at home. Synthesis of silver nitrate. Let's get started. Add silver and nitric acid to beaker. Cold method, nest your beakers like so. The fumes will be absorbed by the layer of nitric acid in the outer beaker. Hot method, add chilled water to boiling flask. Then place it on top of the beaker. The flask will cause the fumes to condense and drip back into the solution. Place the beaker on top of a hot plate, then turn up the heat. Fumes of nitrogen dioxide will begin to fill the beaker. The hazy yellow fumes will turn an angry red color. The reaction is finished when no metallic silver remains. Turn off the heat and wait for the fumes to dissipate. Now let it dry out overnight. Now collect your silver nitrate. Store in a closed bottle in a dark place, as it is sensitive to light. Warning: do not mix with ethanol, or explosions may occur. Add water to dissolve and collect the remainder. Now what should we use it for? Permanent ink, caustic pencils, a silver mirror? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. See you next time.